Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jyoti Rajput from Physio Advisor India and KS Hospital, Delhi. Today I am going to teach you some simple stretches and exercises for tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis. So, our first exercise will be active range of motion exercises of wrist. We can sit on any chair with armrest or at the edge of any table in which our wrist will be outside of the armrest or the table edge. Then we will move our wrist in flexion and extension. Flexion is when we bend our wrist downwards, and then opposite movement when we bend our wrist upwards is extension of our wrist. Downwards, then upwards. We have to repeat this exercise for 10 to 20 times, and we don't have to hold this exercise for now. Then our second exercise will be of active range of motion will be supination and pronation. In supination and pronation, we have to place our arm again at the armrest and wrist outside the armrest. Then we have to move our palm upwards to the ceiling. This movement is called supination. After that, we will move our wrist again, rotate our wrist again downwards to the floor. This is pronation. Move. We will also repeat this exercise for 10 to 20 repetitions. Then our third set of exercise for active range of motion is radial and ulnar deviation. Again, same position. Then move your wrist towards your thumb. Just deviate your wrist towards your thumb. This is radial deviation. Then move your wrist outside. This is ulnar deviation. Again move. Stretch as maximum as you can. Move. Repeat this exercise for 10 to 20 repetitions. Now we will come to the stretching exercises. These are kind of active range of exercises. In this also you can feel some kind of stretch. But next is stretching, which is totally based upon the flexor and extensor tendon of your elbow. First we will start with the flexor tendon stretch. You have to hold your arm in front of you. Then move your wrist facing forward. Place your other hand toward the fingers and thumb. Then push your wrist backwards. You will feel a stretch towards your forearm till the elbow. Stretch. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, as much as you can. Then relax. You can take a break of 10 seconds. Then again hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Relax. Repeat this exercise for 3 times. Then we will come to the extensor tendon stretchings. So now our second stretch is extensor tendon stretching. For this, hold your arm in front of your shoulder. Then bend your wrist and rotate it outwards. Then hold the wrist with the other hand and stretch it inwards. You will feel a stretch towards your forearm and the lateral epicondyle. Stretch it for 20 to 30 seconds and hold it. Then relax for 10 seconds in between each stretch. Stretches for 3 times. Repeat it for 3 times. Now our third exercises are strengthening exercises, which we can do with any weight or any TheraBand. It's better if you go with the lighter resistance or lighter weight from the initial. I am taking a weight here. You can also take any water bottle, any TheraBand or light weight as much as you can. Again, put your arm to the armrest of your chair, wrist outwards to the armrest. Then we will do first wrist extension and flexion. First flex your wrist downwards, then extend your wrist upwards. Move. Always remember, every movement should be occur at your wrist only. You don't have to lift your arm upwards. Okay, so second movement which we will do is our radial and ulnar deviation. This is our radial deviation. This is our ulnar deviation. Now we will move. Then our third exercise is supination and pronation. With same weight, we will do supination and pronation. Arm in this position, then we will move. This is our supination and this is our pronation. Move. So these were some simple basic exercises for tennis. So these were some simple and basic exercises for tennis elbow and lateral epicondylitis. If you have any further queries regarding these exercises, you can contact us on our website www.physioadvisorindia.com. If you like this video, please like, share and comment our website and YouTube page and click the bell button. Thank you.